Hello guys, just give you an update. It's been 2 days working to make our trail better, so I can give you an idea about this trail. I'll always talk about it. Just to give you an idea, this one is really mud all the way, so while working hard we tried to open another one here, and the second one is worse now, so it's a lot of difficult to pass using our ATVs. So now we are creating this one here. This here, just to give you an idea about this line here, you put your leg check here, so that's why it's very difficult with the tires. So we are working hard, we are cutting trees here to make it all the way. It's we still have around 2 kilometers to work. I don't know, it's maybe now it's the season between using black powder and the rifles, so that's why we have like two weeks or 3 weeks. So that's why we are trying to take this time to make it better. This is the old path, this is the new path here. It's better now. So I came with my tools. I'm using I have here some food, sisal, batteries, chainsaw, and a full package of 5 amperes Milwaukee. This one can help us to charge our mobile phones or whatever. So I'll give you updates. Still working. You see here, this is a new path here. Comparing with the old one here, you see the difference here, all the mud. We got those trees here. It's like a little bit more dry, not too much dry. Check even here. So that's why we put those trees, so we try to pass our ATV here. It's a huge job. So if you want to hunt in a humid land, just to have an idea what's waiting for you, check here. So I guess this part here, we should put something here. It's not good. So going straight to our cache, which is a little bit more far from here. I don't think we'll have time today to finish all the work, but maybe we'll finish this this trail, because this trail goes straight here. Then we'll take left going to our cache. So we'll finish the main one here, then maybe next week we'll come during weekends, continue working from the other part. See here, so those here are just covered, you know, are water, mud inside. It's water here. That's why it's always complicated to come here. Sometimes you know, when you come to hunt, you have to arrive before light, and sometimes we got problems. We have to use our winch to exit from this mud, so it's not good. No, sound. It's not good for animals. Give you an idea about this forest here. All right. We still have around 200 meters, I guess. Our stock is here. So let's continue. Attention! If you are a hunter, so I was showing you a squirrel, but when he heard my voice, he ran away.